Dear partners, welcome to astTECS Communication, market leader in IP-based public announcement system. So today in this video, we are going to unbox the demo kit and we will do the setup also. So I hope everyone received the demo kit. So today section we will be learning how to connect the devices. All the things we will discuss in detail. So before connecting the devices, make sure you're having the PoE switch, catches cables, and the power also. Okay. So let's start unboxing. So first you can see this is a ceiling speaker, 10 watts, 10 watt ceiling speaker. I'm keeping the device here. 10 watts wall mount speaker. So here you can see the IP address. So for your demo kit also we have already assigned the IP address and it is already labeled on the box. So you can find the IP address, everything here itself. The 10 watts wall mount speaker with the clamp and connection, and here you can see the IP phone. And finally the PA100 with the adapter 5 volt 3 amps. Received these 4 items: wall mount speaker 10 watts, 521 IP phone, ceiling speaker, and the PA100 with the adapter. And I hope you have received the QR code, user manual. If you scan this code, you will get the complete user manual. And as I told you initially, you have to arrange the switch, catches, cables and all. So let's get started. Here I am connecting the PoE switch. I am giving the power to the PoE switch. Now the PoE switch is powered. I will connect the PA100 to the LAN port. The other end is connected to the switch. I will give power to PA100. Now we can see the display is on. The IP address will be visible here. Let's connect the IP phone. Now the IP phone is also connected. Let's connect the speaker. To the switch. Now let's connect the ceiling speaker. Now you can see all the devices are connected to the switch. The PA100, IP phone, speaker, all the devices are connected to the switch. Now let me connect the laptop also to the same switch. For that I'll take a LAN cable. LAN cable is connected to the laptop. So let's check the interface. So now you can see the interface is visible. Admin manager interface is there. Dear partners, as we discussed, let us go through the web-based interface. Currently my laptop is connected to the same network and my controller IP is 192.168.0.116. So here you can see the admin and manager interface. Let us explore the manager interface. The username is admin. Password is astTECS combination 123. You can see the password here, astTECS combination 123. My soft phone extension number is 2003. So these are the modules of manager interface. The first module is zones. You can see the number of zones here and each zone how many speakers are connected. All this status you can see from this zone module. Device status. You can see how many devices are connected. So as of now, one wall mount speaker and one ceiling speaker is connected. You can see wall mount speaker is active and I can control the speaker volume also. The ceiling speaker is also active and ceiling speaker I can control the volume. This is a dynamic coding where you can create an instant zone. So I can select the random speaker and I can initiate a call. So if soft phone is registered, then you can make the announcement to those speakers.
You are currently the only person in this conference.
I can create a schedule here. I'll show you how to create a schedule. So here you can see add new option. I can give a name, morning prayer. I can select the start date, end date, start time. I'm giving 9 o'clock. Exception dates, Sundays. I'm selecting. I can select the audio file, otherwise I can choose from the playlist. So I can submit. So if I submit from today to next month 23rd 9 o'clock in particular zone, I can select second floor. The announcement will be audible. Now you can see these are the active schedules. Also I can create a playlist. I can add music into this playlist. I can choose files. I can create a playlist. User access control. Here I can control the users. So if I select library, I can add users. Maybe 3000. I can set a password also. So now only 3000 can initiate an announcement to library. There will be password security 123. And here you can see the bell schedule. I can create a profile here. Maybe can select the days which I want to make the bell. I can select the zone here. Now the profile has been created. I can add a schedule here, so I just need to select the profile, add a schedule, maybe 10:30. So the bell I am selecting is biology. So like that I can schedule a bell to a specific division or specific classroom. I can select the holidays. I can add holidays into that specific profile. I can upload the audios, and here you can see the code announcements where we can create different codes, especially for the hospitals. Code blue, code red, all these codes we can create. So instead of dialing an extension number, there will be a specific code number which has to be dialed from the IP phone. The announcement will go to the specific number of people. So I can add the users. Now you can see code 55 has 3 users. Then ABH logs will be available here. We can select the start date. Date range we can select here. Data will be available here. And you can see the logs, what all announcement, live announcement and schedule, all the logs will be available here. Here also we can select the date range and we can download the report. So let us go to the admin interface, zonal manager. Username is admin, password is same, astTECS combination 123. In admin interface we can create the zone. So here I am creating a new zone. I can give an extension number, maybe 4000. It has to be unique. I need to give a name, maybe second floor. I can select the speaker. Submit. Apply config. And the zone is created. Here you can see second floor. Same like that I can customize the existing zone also. So if I want to add speaker into that existing zone, here you can select speaker, submit. So this is all about the admin and manager interface. I request you to go through this admin and manager interface. Thank you.
Now let's try making an announcement. So here the speaker extension number I have assigned 1000, sales speaker 2000. So you can open your interface and you can check the extension number of the speaker. So if you go to the manage interface, you can see the extension number of the speaker. So let me dial the extension number from the IP phone.
Please enter your password.
Password is 1, 2, 3, 4.
Hello.
Testing.
Testing.
So like that we can make the announcement. You can start dialing the extension number and make the announcement. So I hope the connection part is clear. So thank you for watching.